Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making easy recipe focaccia bread, Italian recipe. It's yummy in taste, very less ingredients. It's so soft, best for iftar recipes. Water 1 cup. Dry yeast 30 grams. Around 2 tablespoons. Salt half tablespoon. Sugar half tablespoon. Mix everything. All-purpose flour 1.5 cup. Mix. With the help of spatula, mix the dough. Now it's ready. Rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, olive oil 4 tablespoons or any oil. Mix everything. In a baking tray, spray oil. Transfer the dough. Rosemary on top. Fried garlic. Italian seasoning optional. Cherry tomatoes on top. Bake for 15 minutes on 170 degrees centigrade. Now it's ready. Enjoy with soup. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.
Bye bye.